What are the payment methods again?
Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer.
You guys don't do PayPal?
PayPal is not supported in our territory. It's for Avi and Mr. Imon and me. We are team member and we work for video editing and thumbnail design related work. So recently you have talked to our team member Mr. Imon for video editing related work. So definitely we can help you with that. So how you want to start?
First, I guess my question would be: I have a dog channel. I do a lot of interviews. How good is your? Because when you guys were writing the emails, the English didn't seem so great. How good are you? Have good English speakers there that can understand what the people are saying in my videos?
We can understand clearly you are speaking when on your videos.
Okay. Well, I'm just saying because I mean, there's a lot of emotion and a lot of things like that that are important that I would hope you guys capture if you're going to do an edit for me. The other thing is that I had asked him, were you guys familiar with NPR style podcasts? Because that's kind of this video I have in mind that I want you guys to maybe edit is an NPR. I want to be edited like an NPR style video.
Definitely we can edit NPR style videos, and obviously if you have any revisions to our work, then till you satisfied we will revision it, no problem.
Okay. What does your workflow look like? How do I get the content to you, and how do you edit and all that stuff? What do you use?
We use all type of advanced related video editing related tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After
No,
Effects.
actually, like, how, like I have the video footage here. How do I get it to you?
You can upload it to Google Drive, then send to us with the link. Then we will download it and then we will edit it.
Okay.
I think you can go with one or two video, and if you satisfied with our work, then you can go for the monthly or package based. No problem.
Okay. All right. Well, I have a video that I need to get edited soon, so I want to send that stuff to you guys and see how you do with it. Um, I'll send you notes.
Yeah, you can send some notes and some guidelines how you want to edit it, and then send the raw file. Then we will edit.
Okay. You said you
Okay.
guys do infographics and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
How long your video need to edit? Video
This was
length?
the first one that I want. Is probably gonna be like 15 to 20 minutes long.
Okay, so we work mainly per minute base. Per minute is only $2. So if you give us 30 minutes video, then you can pay us 60 USD for that. And our payment system is when you hire us, you can pay 50% in upfront and rest of the 50% after completing the work.
Okay. What are the payment methods again?
Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer.
You guys don't do PayPal?
PayPal is not supported in our territory. I think you will get lot of tutorials how to send money through Remitly. Remitly is the easiest way. Or our team member, Mr. Imon, will also guide you. No problem.
Yeah, because I don't know. I mean, I know there's Western Unions, but I haven't used Western Union in 30 years. So I have to figure something out about the Western Union. So let's see. All right, I'll figure that out. I'll figure that part out. I mean, that's not the hard
Okay,
part.
okay, okay. So if you have any problem to sending money to this payment gateway, no problem. Our team member will also help you. After finishing the meeting, you send your one video raw file and send some notes. What should we do and how you want to edit it? Then we will edit the video and we will send you. Then if you have any revisions or anything need to change, then you will tell us. Then definitely till you satisfied, we will edit it. And definitely we believe in long term relationship, because if we provide you the quality delivery, then you will hire us for the next day. We believe it. We will
Yeah,
try our best.
yeah, and I really need this video to be paced well, edited well. All right,
Yeah.
so I go to try. Can you email me the how do I where I send the footage to and all that stuff?
Okay, okay, no problem. Our team member will send you email.
Okay.
Okay, so thanks for your time and bye for now.
Tell them to also send the payment information again in an email so I know what that looks like. I can look at
Okay,
the
okay.
options.
Yeah.
And all right, what's the turnaround on these videos? How long does it take?
And
I say
it
like
takes,
15
yeah,
minutes.
it takes normally, if your video is 30 minutes long, then it takes 5 to 6 days maximum.
Okay.
Okay. So
All
thanks
right.
for your time and hope to work with you for a long time, and bye for now.
All right, bye for now, brother.
Yeah.
All right, talk to you soon.